Hi everyone, today I have this Geek Robocook Nuvo. This is a smart kitchen assistant and this is a pressure cooker that does it all. I want to unbox this, show you what it comes with, and also cook a recipe for you just to show you how easy it is. And it also comes with this amazing recipe book with over 100 recipes inside it. So this is just like an awesome bonus that comes along with it. And then inside of that, we have the actual pressure cooker. So let's go ahead and remove it. Inside here, it comes with different accessories, power cord, a rice spoon, and a measuring cup. And so it makes for very, very easy cooking. So now that it's all set up, I could show you it a little better. So this is a smart pressure cooker. So there's 7 safety guards on it, along with 13 preset menus on here and different cooking options. This makes cooking so easy because it's literally all in one, as you will see as we start cooking.